Components of a Word document. They include title bar, ribbon, horizontal scroll bar, status bar, quick access toolbar, typing area, vertical scroll bar, title bar. A horizontal bar at the top of a window, bearing the name of the program and typically the name of the currently active document. Ribbon is a set of toolbars at the top of the window in Ms. Word. A vertical or horizontal bar. They are commonly on the far right or bottom of a window that lets you move the window viewing area up, down, left and right. The status bar is the area at the bottom of the Word window. The quick access toolbar is a collection of shortcuts to the features that you use frequently in MS Word. Typing or working area is the blank area where the user types the text in a Word document. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more video. Like and comment.